Ready to memorize scripture like never before? In 2025, technology and creativity make learning Bible verses more engaging and effective than ever. Begin by selecting a verse that truly speaks to your heart and life. Write it on sticky notes and place them in spots you frequent daily, on your mirror, fridge, or even your phone case. Next, record yourself reading the verse aloud, then listen to it during your commute, workout, or downtime. To add more fun, transform the verse into a catchy song or rhyme. Music helps your brain retain words longer and makes memorization enjoyable. Another great method is using digital flashcards. Modern apps offer games and spaced repetition techniques that make reviewing verses interactive and rewarding. Don't do it alone. Invite friends or family to join a weekly memory verse challenge. Share your progress, encourage one another, and celebrate victories together. Finally, take time each day to reflect on how the verse applies to your life. The more you engage with Scripture, the deeper it will take root in your heart and guide your actions. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.